How did you turn the tables on your ex in court? My ex-wife, Sarah, claimed I was financially reckless and hiding money during our divorce. She asked for $8,000 a month in support and half of everything I owned, including the business I built from scratch. Her lawyer portrayed me as a dishonest entrepreneur funneling money away while leaving her with nothing. Sarah had what looked like strong evidence: large cash withdrawals, receipts for pricey items I supposedly bought, and a statement from her friend Lisa, who claimed she overheard me talking about offshore accounts. The judge seemed convinced. Even my lawyer looked uneasy as Sarah emotionally described how she'd been left behind financially. What Sarah didn't know is that I'm a forensic accountant. I had been quietly documenting everything for months. The cash withdrawals, I had security camera footage from ATMs and bank branches showing her making those withdrawals. The luxury purchases, I had GPS data from her car that placed her at every store. She had used my business credit cards for shopping trips with her boyfriend Marcus and then stashed the items at his place. Her plan? Make it look like I was spending irresponsibly, while she quietly set aside assets for herself. Her strongest piece of evidence was Lisa, her supposed star witness. Lisa claimed to have overheard me discussing hidden accounts, but I had something she didn't expect: recordings. I had used a phone app to record every conversation I had with Sarah about our finances, fully legal since I was involved in the talks. In one recording, Sarah told Lisa exactly what to say. Just mention the Cayman account. Make it sound casual, like you weren't trying to listen in. Lisa sounded hesitant. But that never actually happened. Sarah replied, doesn't matter. Just say it confidently. I had several recordings like that. Sarah discussing how to frame things, how to sound convincing, even practicing her own testimony at home, trying to get her tone and timing just right. The final piece was the pawn shop. I traced jewelry purchases to a local store where Sarah had exchanged them for cash, then deposited that money into an account under her maiden name. The shop owner remembered her because she tried to sell the same luxury watch more than once, telling emotional stories each time. In court, Sarah's lawyer presented their proof. Lisa gave her prepared statement, and Sarah spoke in detail about being left without support. Then I showed everything: video clips, GPS logs, bank records, the audio of her giving instructions, and even the pawnshop footage. I also presented account statements showing over $47,000 she had tucked away. The judge's expression changed instantly. He paused, then calmly said that the claims against me were unfounded, and that the evidence presented by Sarah raised serious concerns about the integrity of the case. In the end, Sarah was awarded nothing: no support payments, no share of my business, and was ordered to return the hidden funds and cover my legal fees. Her lawyer stepped down immediately after the hearing. Lisa reached out later and apologized for her part. Marcus broke things off after finding out about everything. As far as I know, Sarah is working retail now and still owes over $20,000 in fees. She tried to flip the story on me, but I showed up with receipts.